the best Bitcoin and crypto investment strategy explained, guys. How dollar cost averaging works. Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk mainly about Bitcoin and other crypto assets. So right now, Bitcoin has absolutely been getting smashed, okay? It's really fallen off a lot from its April highs. And a lot of people are in panic mode, okay? Everyone's against Elon Musk. People are against all of the energy that Bitcoin consumes. We just had the Bitcoin Miami conference in early June and the prices sold off. So I think a lot of people are getting bored with crypto, okay? It's not as popular. You can see the RSI is down to 30. But I'm going to give you guys a reason why it's important to have a long-term view when it comes to crypto, guys. So in this video, we're going to mainly talk about why long-term strategies work with Bitcoin. And mainly, we're going to talk about the best probably strategy of all that you can use called dollar cost averaging. So I wanted to keep this video pretty short because I think that it's more important to actually apply these concepts than to just talk about them endlessly. So let's get right into the video, guys. So what do I mean by dollar cost averaging on Bitcoin, okay? So what I mean is instead of trying to time the market, right? So instead of trying to like buy it at a certain point, you're going to simply buy Bitcoin at a regular interval. So it could be daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, okay? Whatever feels comfortable for you, right? So it's just like working out, or it's just like studying a language, or it's just like, preparing for a test. The more you put into it, the more you're going to get out. So I think right now a lot of people are worried about Bitcoin's price, blaming guys like Elon Musk for cutting off half the market cap. But if we kind of zoom out, right? So just zoom out long term, okay? We take a look at the 5-year chart. Bitcoin is up phenomenally, okay, guys? This time 5 years ago, Bitcoin was just $500 a coin, and now it's at 33,000. So now I think it's a fantastic buying opportunity. Now I'm going to give you guys a long-term investing strategy that can really help you stack up your Satoshis, stack up your Bitcoin without worrying so much. So let's get right into that portion of the video. Okay, guys, this is a phenomenal website. All you guys got to check out this site, okay? It's called... Okay, so all you guys got to check out this website. It's called dcabtc.com. Phenomenal website. And what this site does is it allows you to basically dollar cost average Bitcoin. So you can't actually buy Bitcoin through this site, but what it allows you to do is play with the calculator here and make changes to see what they will result. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with something simple that everyone can do, okay? So we can do something like very simple, guys. Maybe you guys have you're spending a lot of money on other things. Obviously, your expenses, maybe you're investing in the stock market, paying bills, whatever. Let's say you just put $10 in Bitcoin a week, and you did this for 3 years, okay? So you would have invested $1,500, and that $1,500 now would be worth over $7,000, or approximately just under 19 million Satoshis, okay? So now we can actually compare that to if you had invested in the stock market or you had invested in gold. So if you had actually just did that 3 years ago, you put $10 a week, okay? You would have outperformed gold and you would have outperformed the stock market, okay? By a handsome margin. So what this calculator shows you is that the important thing about Bitcoin is not buying it at a certain time and stressing over the price. It's staying consistent, okay? I think if you guys are living in a Western country or you have a decent salary, everyone can afford to invest $10 a week, okay? Everyone in the world really should be able to, but obviously, there's different geopolitical issues. Obviously, there's different macroeconomic, microeconomic issues, different socioeconomic standards and stuff like that. But $10 a week, okay, guys, that's just literally like over $1 a day. You're just saving literally $1 a day and putting it into Bitcoin. So what if we played with these numbers a little bit more? Let's increase this a bit, okay? Let's say instead of doing $10 a week, you're going to do something like $100 a month, okay? If we do $100 a month, okay, this just increases the gains even more. So over the last 3 years, you would have invested $3,600 and you would have $25,000 now. This is going to outperform stocks and gold. So guys, I'm not going to take too much time. I'm going to link to this calculator description. You guys can play with this yourself, but I think you're getting the gist of it. The best overall strategy for Bitcoin is setting up an automatic automated investment strategy and set it and forget it. So what I do personally, guys, I personally buy Bitcoin every day through Coinbase. If you guys want to invest in Coinbase, you'll get free $10 in Bitcoin. You can check that out in the description below. And that's it. I just go on about my life. Now, every time I do get a paycheck or something like that, I do take 10% of that check and invest it into Bitcoin as well. But I'm always buying Bitcoin every day on a regular basis. Now, the one drawback is there are the fees, and Coinbase does charge $1 fee. If depending on the transaction, it can scale up. Usually the fees are something as high as like 2 to 3%. But for me, it's a cost of doing business, guys. Just like you have to pay your taxes, you have to pay sales tax, federal tax, property tax. It's a cost of doing business. So I don't sweat the small stuff, and I stay focused on the long-term goal. So that's it until now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Very simple to set this up. You can set up these automated buys through any exchange you're using, and this is an easy way to stack. You guys start using this strategy. Obviously, it's not investment advice, but you will really start to stack up your Satoshis, and you will not really stress over the Bitcoin price. Of course, if the price drops, you can simply buy more, but you know that every day you're simply stacking, and that's going to get you way closer to your financial goals than it will be about stressing about where the price is on a day-to-day basis. So that's it until next time, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my content, please smash the like button, guys, and hit the red subscribe button as well. So until next time, take care.